This is a test of the weather radio's warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations or other emergencies, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers.
Paul, what in weather service mayhem are you doing?
Up. I am doing the weekly test?
On a Friday? You know damn well that we already tested on Wednesday.
Oh, just fuck off.
Eric. I need you.
Whoa. Do you need me?
Oh shit. Not Eric. Anything but Eric.
Eric, do the thing.
With pleasure. Oh. Paul, did you do the weekly test on Friday? That's it. You are grounded for 945,741,127,131 years. Go to your office right now and think about what you did.